We're excited to introduce a new feature on EduFit that allows results customization. This means that you can now customize the results of your school to your own taste and includes features such as the overall body design, the header section, the report title, the scores table section, the attribute section, and the footer. Now this is the default settings as you can see on our results page. Now this is going to show you how to customize your results. Let's get started. Once you log into your admin dashboard, simply navigate to the results menu and click on settings and click on customize results sheet. And as soon as the customized student result design page opens, you'll see several sections such as the overall body, which defines the entire paper that you're going to be working with. So first, let's get started. We're going to choose some sample colors. Now in this my own, I'm going to leave my result design to have a bit of blue, and then I will have a stark blue color following my school logo concepts. So this is my border, so I'm going to choose it as my border color, and then I can choose my border size. Let's say I need it up to 7 pixels, and then the border type, any of these. I would prefer dotted, or let's take double, and then we can take the opacity, which talk about the transparency, but if you don't know much about it, just leave the opacity to be 1.0. don't touch it. So you can touch the padding, which is the space between your border and your results elements. So we're going to leave it at the default of 5, and then here we'll choose the background. That is if you want your logo to be at the background of your page, you simply choose an image here, otherwise you can leave it. So I'm going to choose one. Choose one from here. So I'm going to choose this background. Please make sure that you're selecting a transparent image. It is advisable that you use a transparent background image so that your color doesn't overshadow the text. So we come, this is done. First, let's just preview it. We're going to save our settings, and then upon a successful save, we have to yes, our background color has changed, and we can see the watermark logo behind. So we'll move over to the customized page to complete the other section. So now we can design the header section, and then I'm going to choose a particular header color for it, and then I'll leave the background, but then I'll choose color. I want the background to be like that, and then we'll choose a text color. Or let's say we want the address to be yellow. Alright, so we can also adjust the school name and the font colors for each of them, as you can see on this live preview section. Then you can also change the title that displays on those places. So you can choose your font names if you know font names that you want to use. For example, we could say Times New Roman. I'm going to change this and we'll use Times New Roman. Alright, so you can see that it's changed already on the preview. So we have to choose every other function, the colors, the size of the text based on your preference. Then same thing happens to the report title section, where you have to change what is written here or the design. So in my own, I'm going to change it to I'm going to use yellow color just for example, and then I will have a blue color on the background. Then I can give it some space out of the margin, and then some space within, then also to increase my border. Okay, I'm okay with this. I will just use 0 for it, and then I can change the text to show there. So I can say school evaluation reports, and then I can come here to my scores table, which defines the scores section, and then I'll change it. I could choose any of my backgrounds. The header, I would prefer to use a thick blue and a white color for it, and then the body I will use white. I prefer white, but I want to be transparent so I can see the logo. I'm going to take it, slide it down to about 50% of it. The alternating row, I want it a little bit of blue color, but then I'm going to make it transparent, so I will slide down this. I'll choose this. My text color should remain black based on my design. And then the attribute section, which defines this section of your reports. So you come down on the attribute section. Okay, sorry. You come down to this attribute section, and then you can choose the text color of your preference. So let's, just for the sake of an example, I'm going to use the blue color, and then I'm going to use white text color. I need the blue background. Alright, but I'm going to make it transparent also, because I want to see my watermark coming out. And then I would like my borders to be dashed and a black color. Then I can change my key to ratings. If you are not okay with these ratings, you can change them to a default one. Once you put it, it overrides whatsoever you have here. Alright, so but I'm going to leave that for this. And for the footer, which defines this section down here, so we're going to change it now. I'll leave it, let's take black, and then I'll leave the background to be white. I will just have to add a border to it, a solid border, let's say up to about 5 pixels, and then a blue color border all around it. Alright, so, and then I'll save. Once on success, I have my results design already. On print also, I still have my results coming out. I can just adjust my scale to fit into my result formats, as the case may be. Alright, so here is our results coming out in our full design and spec. So I could just save this to PDF, or I could want to print it out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for choosing EduFet.